Get up-to-the-minute Textar catalog data and find specific Textar products by part number, OE number, or cross-reference number in real time. The product data for the Textar app is updated every week without needing to update the app and has everything you need to identify brake components. Just take a photo of your brake pad. Brakebook analyzes the uploaded photo and sends the correct part number for the pad to your phone within seconds. For best results, place the pad on an even, plain white background. Otherwise, Brakebook may not be able to identify the part or return the wrong part number. Important: only a completely white background ensures that your search is successful. To further optimize results, you can also add criteria such as height or width.